Title: Govern, Shaping the Path of a Nation. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word govern. To govern means to exercise authority, control, and direction over a group, organization, or a nation. It's a term that signifies the power and responsibility of leadership. Pronunciation. Pronouncing govern is straightforward. ɡەvərn, with a soft G and a clear V sound. Use in a sentence. For example, leaders who govern must make decisions that impact the well-being and direction of their respective regions. Importance. Governing is a fundamental aspect of society and politics, as it influences laws, policies, and the daily lives of citizens, highlighting the significance of responsible leadership. Conclusion. In summary, govern is a word that represents the authority and guidance that shapes the course of a nation or any organized group. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, appreciate the role of those who govern in the development and direction of our communities.